Hello guys, so today we are going to talk about alternative therapies for patients with heart diseases. So you must have heard of stem cell transplantation or ESMR therapy or chelation therapy. So we'll go one by one in all these therapies and try to explain you if it works or it doesn't work. So let's look at stem cell transplantation. So as myself was involved in a stem cell research in around 2007 when I was working in London Chest Hospital. So at that time the hypothesis was that if we inject patients stem cell into their own heart at the time of a heart damage, then we should be able to improve the heart pumping function and regenerate some cells of the left ventricle. The muscle may regenerate. So what we did is we collected the stem cells of the patients from the patient's bone marrow when patient came to the hospital with chest pain and heart attack. We did primary angioplasty like what we are doing today. So we put an immediate stent, opened the vessel. At the same time, whatever the stem cells we have collected, half of the patients, so 50% of the patients, we use those stem cells by using a catheter and a needle. So we went back into the heart muscle, injected the stem cells into the heart muscle, and we assessed the patients at the end of few months. So we looked at the patients without stem cell transplantation and with stem cell transplantation. We used cardiac MRI, so heart MRI, to look at whether there is an improvement in the heart function between these two group of patients. So the results were not surprising. We did not find any improvement by using stem cell transplantation. So the cardiac MRI, there was no improvement in the heart function differently compared to the patients who just had a primary angioplasty without stem cell transplantation. So in a sense, stem cell transplantation failed. It did not help us to improve the patient's left ventricular function, did not improve the patient's rhythm disturbances, and that's why today nobody talks about stem cell transplantation in patients with heart attack or heart failure. So this is about stem cell transplantation, and we'll talk about ESMR and chelation therapy in one of the next videos. Thank you.